Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do the 120 FPS drop test on the POCO F7 device. The POCO F7 did receive the latest update of the 120 FPS finally, which did arrive. So right now, as you can see, these are the settings which I'm trying to use at this moment exactly. And right now, I'm going to the quick FPS drop test just to show you how is the overall FPS count is maintaining at this moment using the real-time FPS meter. So I'm going to show you exact readings. So right now you should be able to see with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, after 1 year of waiting, the 120 FPS update finally did arrive in this POCO F7 device. And right now you can see the real-time statistics regarding the FPS count, how much it's maintaining. So 116, 120, 113, not bad. 86, it came down to 86, 87 FPS. So which is the lowest so far we have seen. So 86 and 87 FPS we have seen right now. So this is the first time of doing the FPS drop test, and again I'm going to do the again a couple of times. So just to show you how is the FPS gonna be maintaining in this device. So I'm going to do the battery draining test as well. So for example, after charging 100%, normal with the 90 FPS, the battery will drain close to like around 9 to 10 percentage, 10 to 11 percentage it will drain for every 1 hour of time using the 90 fps. Okay, using the 120 fps we can definitely see slightly higher battery draining will happen. I'm going to upload that video very soon, then you will try to understand how is overall like fps and efficient it will be there, the POCO F7 device. And right now you can see the frame drops, it's kind of 104, 106 it's maintaining at this moment, 109. So now I'm trying to do the second time FPS drop test. So let's try to do. So second time we'll try to see how is FPS gonna maintain. So 116, 115. And if you try to play with the 120 FPS, the battery will definitely drain faster. For example, like for every hour, it will drain like 18 to 20 percentage every hour. So normal, that is what the statistics, but we'll try to see in the POCO F7 device how the battery will handle. So right now you're getting FPS of 111, 110, 104. So because the lowest of like 110 at this moment, 104 as well, the lowest we have seen. It's maintaining 104 FPS. So it's maintaining average like above 100 most of the time. So FPS did drop like below 100 sometimes. Yeah, I was seeing. So let's observe in the teamlet match how the overall FPS gonna maintain. You can see the FPS how it's kind of maintaining 110. So 105 FPS we are maintaining, not bad. So 106 FPS. So you can see the FPS count not bad overall. So this is the overall FPS drop test in the POCO F7 device after the 120 FPS update.